Yes, hello everyone. Today we will discuss an important topic, trial balance. Okay, what is trial balance? Trial balance is a financial report showing the closing balance of all accounts in the general ledger. Yes, तो ledger accounts के जो balance होते हैं, ठीक है, that one we carry it in trial balance. Okay, we carry it forward to trial balance. Okay, it's a financial report that show the closing balance. सब जो लेजर अकाउंट्स होते हैं उन सब के क्लोजिंग बैलेंस हम लोग ट्रायल बैलेंस में शो करते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट यू मेक जर्नल बनाने का, फिर लेजर एंट्रीज होती है, लेजर के बाद फिर ट्रायल बैलेंस. तो लेजर का जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस होता है वो हम लोग ट्रायल बैलेंस से पुट ऑफ करते हैं, कैरी करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाने का सिंपल रूल क्या है? व्हाट इज द रूल? ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड एसेट्स अकाउंटेड एज डेबिट. सारे एक्सपेंस और एसेट डेबिट साइड में आएंगे, सारे एक्सपेंस और एसेट्स जो है वो डेबिट साइड में. एंड ऑल इनकम एंड लाइबिलिटीज, जितने भी इनकम है, लाइबिलिटीज है, ठीक है, दैट विल बी कमिंग इन क्रेडिट साइड. Here I have drawn one format of trial balance. Okay, here we will write accounts, here debit and credit. Like for example, we'll start with capital. Capital is the amount of money which the business owes to the owner. Okay, so capital will come in the credit side. Capital amount will always come in the credit side. Next, capital is coming in the credit side, then capital का opposite is drawing, the amount of money withdrawn from the business, drawings. Okay, the drawings will come just the opposite. Capital is coming in credit side because that is the amount of money which the business owes to the owners. Okay, it will be coming in the credit side. Next is drawings. Drawings where we like just the opposite, capital credit, the drawings will be opposite, debit. Next we are having purchase. Like purchases, purchase is what? Purchase is an expense. When you purchase any good you have to pay money, so it is an expense. So I showed you here na, all asset and expenses will come in debit side. ठीक है, तो purchase is an expense, so its amount where you write in the debit side. Same purchase opposite one thing is purchase return, which we say as return outward also, purchase return. The purchase is debit, then purchase return will be credit. Okay, after that we are having sales. Sales is what? Sales is kind of income. When you are selling goods you are earning money, so it is what? Income. Okay, so it is an income. The income where we write all assets and expenses we write in debit side, and all kinds of gain, income, okay, and liability we write in the credit side. So sales is an income, so we'll write where? We'll write here in the credit side. Next we are having sales return. So sales was in the credit side. Okay, it is the income we wrote in the credit side. So sales return, just the opposite of sales. Where it will come? It will come in the debit side. Is this all amounts you have to write? Okay, after that if I take any other things such as if I take salaries. What is salaries? It is an expense. Salaries you are paying someone, so it is an expense. So where you write? In debit side you'll write simply. Next, if I say machinery is what? It is an asset. Machinery is what? It is an asset. So where we'll write that machinery? Asset and expense we write in debit side, to machinery we will write in debit side. Next, if I say suppose bank loan, it is what? It is liability, you have to pay the loan. So liability, all kinds of income and liability where we are writing in credit side, so bank loan will come in the credit side. Next, if I go for suppose bills receivable and bills payable. Yes, one more important, bills receivable. Yes, what is bills receivable? Bills receivable is the amount of money which you will be receiving in future. Okay, the amount of money which you will receive in future, it is what? It is an asset, so asset will come in debit side. And one more thing, you are having bills payable. Bills payable is what? Bills payable is the amount, is the liability, because that is the amount of money which you have to pay to someone. After some time, some period, you have to pay that money to someone. Okay, किसी से पैसा लिया उसको पे करना है, that is what? That is a liability, bills payable. So that will be coming in credit side. Bills payable will be coming in credit side. Okay, next, yes, one more thing, opening stock will be coming in trial balance, but closing stock we don't write. Okay, as purchase are included, so we don't write closing stock here. We always take opening stock. As it is an asset, it will be in debit side. Opening stock will write in debit side. Next is there, suppose bad debts. Bad debt is what? It is a kind of loss. You are given money someone but you have not got back. Bad debt. So bad debt is kind of expense, you can say. So expenses all we write in debit side. So bad debt will also be coming in debit side. Unearned revenue. Unearned revenue. You have not earned that revenue. Means suppose you have got an advance income, means advance salary or something. Okay, advance income, unearned revenue. You have not earned it but you have received in advance. So that kind of income is referred as what? It is considered as liability. Okay, you have not earned for it. For that money you have not given any kind of service yet. Okay, but you have got the money, so that is what? It is a kind of liability. So unearned revenue will be what? Liability side. That amount will go in liability. Second thing, if I say one more, is there interest received. Yes, interest received, simple. You are receiving the money, so all kinds of income will come where? It will come in credit side. Interest received. Interest received, where it will going? Credit side. Next, one more important, sundry debtors and sundry creditors. Sundry debtors are the persons from whom you will get back the money. So they are what? They are getting the money. They are your assets, you can say. Okay, from whom you are getting back the money. Okay, not assets, sorry. Sundry debtors are the person from whom you will get the money. Okay, you will get back the money. So in balance sheet we show them in where? Asset side. Okay, so sundry debtors will write where? In debit column. Okay, sundry debtors are the person from whom will receive the money. So that will be in debit side. Sundry creditors are the persons to whom you have to pay the money, means it's kind of liability. Okay, to whom you have to pay back the money. Sundry creditors are the persons to whom you have to pay back the money. Sundry creditors, where you'll write? You'll be writing in credit side. This was the basic format of trial balance. Okay, all the expenses and assets will be showing in debit side, and all the income, gain, okay, and liability will be shown in the credit side. After doing this, you will just simply balance it, means you'll add all the debit side amounts and you'll add all the credit side amounts. Okay, you'll get the same balance. Trial balance often debit and credit amount matches. Okay, if it does not match, then you have to create a suspense account and you have to do the balancing in case of trial balance. That we'll discuss later on. Okay.